Millburn town, New Jersey, time 11:49 a.m. Taylor Park from the backside. Let's see, the playground is wet and the water is streaming. Let's take a look at the main street. It's a few blocks from Millburn Avenue, which is that way to the right, and the water is coming down to the left. And see, yeah, the cars are moving. Maxima SUVs probably have no problem at all. Yeah, Volkswagen, what, Jetta probably not so bad, but probably down over there should be more water. It's Ridgewood Drive and Main Street. Well, a lot of water coming down. Up Ridgewood Drive, it's not so bad. It goes up, so it's dry.